Okay, so explore incremental naming. And this setting controls what naming strategy to use when giving you a new name to a duplicated Explorer item on paste. Simple appends the word copy at the end of the duplicated name, potentially followed by a number, and you have another option, which is smart, that adds a number at the end of the duplicated name. If some number is already part of the name, tries to increase that number. So let me show you simple first. So let's copy this loader file. And this is what happens. It appends copy and then a number, which kind of sucks because usually copy is not what you're going to rename that to. And then you have smart, which is, it just appends a number. So if we copy and paste, it's going to say loader 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with a dot in between, which is much closer to, usually much closer to what we're going to rename that file to, right? And it's just less characters to delete. Usually you don't really have the word copy in your file, so smart actually makes things a little bit easier. And this is the setting, this is the option I'm going to leave the setting with.